when people like them back you feel like चलो यार ये लोग back कर रहे हैं तो ठीक ही होगा. तो मैं रोज भिंडी की सब्जी खा सकती हूँ रोज. I have no problem eating it. You work so hard to make the money, then work a little hard on your investments also. Zoya Akhtar की फिल्म थी Luck by Chance. In that there was a dialogue which said that the first film chooses you, you don't choose your first film. Investment advice मुझे प्रतीक गांधी ने बहुत दिया अग्नि की फिल्म पे. He is a very very good investor and very good with his finance. I feel very settled. मुझे मतलब you don't need a man to feel settled. I feel. मैंने रॉजर फेडरर के साथ तस्वीर डाली थी, लगा लिंक अप उनके साथ हुआ तो ठीक है, पर मेरी बहुत बोरिंग लाइफ है.
And if I am not wrong and to ask you, कभी कोई लिंकअप्स ऐसे हमने नहीं सुने हैं about it. Sammy, welcome to Movie Fight.
Thank
you. First question which I want to ask you is from Mirzya to Agni now. So how has life changed for you, and what you have to say for that?
Yeah, life's changed in a big way because I was a bacha when I started.
Also to add on to that, from Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra to now Rahul Dholakia, directors.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's changed in a big way because started not knowing anything whatsoever. Not that I know anything now also, but with every film you grow, with every film you learn, with every film you have a new family, with every film you just have so many new experiences that it makes you, I think, for me, I feel it's made me the person I am today. Every experience that I've had, every success, every failure teaches you a lot. And I've been extremely grateful, like you said, Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, Anurag Kashyap, Neeraj Pandey, R. Balki, Ashmiya Yar Tiwari, Rahul Dholakia, Mayank Sharma. So it's just been just directors that have been in my wish list, and I've been fortunate, very fortunate to have gotten to work with them.
So feel extra special and lucky?
I feel very lucky, I feel very grateful, and it just kind of makes you feel more confident. Sometimes when your confidence is low, when people like them back you feel like चलो यार ये लोग back कर रहे हैं तो ठीक ही होगा.
तो मतलब ऐसा लाइफ में कब फेज आया और कब लगा कि कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत लो है?
I feel in general I've grown up in a small town and I'm very away from the filmy world. So my upbringing was very away from the filmy world. तो कभी कभी ऐसे लगता था कि I am a misfit, and उस वक्त ऐसे लगता था that I am low on confidence. But eventually, like you said, from Mirzya to Agni, I have embraced being a misfit and I really celebrate it. And it's every film has made me very confident and made me at least unique to people who maybe काफी फैक्ट्री मेड लोग बन जाते हैं इंडस्ट्री में. सो आई फील दैट जस्ट बीइंग अ मिसफिट हैज केप्ट मी अ लिटिल यूनिक, व्हिच आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ.
यू स्टिल फील एट टाइम्स दैट?
हाँ बिल्कुल, 100%. आई फील लाइक आई एम अ मिसफिट, बट आई फील दैट इट्स गुड टू बी, it's good to be that.
Right. And what's that process of for Sammy to actually choose a script? मतलब क्या ऐसा रहता है, क्या दिमाग में रहता है when you first hear a narration and then you read a script, and also you do it on your own everything, or there's a team? Because generally होता है ऐसे कि managers होते हैं जो पहले सुनते हैं and फिर actors को बताते हैं. So in your case, what's the status?
Zoya Akhtar की फिल्म थी Luck by Chance. In that there was a dialogue which said that the first film chooses you, you don't choose your first film. Because if you're I mean, usually when you're doing your first film, you're auditioning, you don't know, so the first film chooses you. And I've been very fortunate that my first film was Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra's film, which taught me a lot. Uske baad, then a lot of times it depends on whether you are commercially a big hit. Then you have lots of offers to choose from. If not, then you don't have that many offers to choose from. So उसमें से then you need to be, यार ये करना है, ये नहीं करना है, ये मेरा दिल धड़क रहा है, नहीं धड़क रहा है, उसके हिसाब से मैं चूज करती हूँ. तो अनुराग सर is somebody I go to for, so AK is somebody I go to for advice, like sir ये आया, ये नहीं आया है, क्या करूँ? So he gives me very correct advice.
That's nice.
And I'm very fortunate that he's there. मिर्जा के बाद उन्होंने मुझे चोक्ड ऑफर की थी ऑलमोस्ट 8 months when nobody gave me work.
And what a film.
थैंक यू.
Oh,
तो आप जब टीम की बात
टाइम पे,
जी,
yeah.
तो आप जब टीम की बात करते हैं, माय टीम said don't do the film. And there was another film I did called 8 AM Metro. My team said don't do the film. So if my heart tells me, yaar, it's Anurag Kashyap, he's an institution, you know, forget being a mother, because I was very young when he had told me about the film.
Right.
So usme I had to play a mother. So he said, why do you want to age yourself? Your second film. I said, so sab theek hai. But the growth it gave me as an actor, the confidence it gave me as an actor, and just having AK's support means the world to me. So I feel for me, my heart has to just say that yeah, something feels right about this, and I jump at it. The role part, I'm fortunate Ghumar was author backed, was completely the girls' film. Choked was entirely the girls' film. Some films, some projects are ensemble projects, but at that point is your character adding to the story arc. Like in Breathe, it was not my show or anything like that, but as a show, anything you associate with becomes yours, I feel. And that it was surely was a very important character because it moved the story forward. It was a character of a escort I'd never played before. So as an actor, I want to keep trying to choose new different things with every project, which I've been very lucky that I've gotten to choose. Every project I've done has been a different new character.
Right.
Because that also jab main
and you have done some like great films, great work.
Thank you. Because when you're young, you're asked बड़े होके क्या बनना है, and I used to not have an answer. मैं ऐसे ही कहती थी यार डॉक्टर बनूंगी, मैं पायलट बनूंगी या आर्मी ज्वाइन कर दूंगी, ऐसी कुछ भी बोल देती थी मैं. As an actor, you get to live all these lives.
Right. So और ये कब जहन में आया कि एक्टर बनूंगी?
ये एक्चुअली मैं जेवियर्स में बहुत स्पोर्ट्स खेलती थी, तो बचपन तो उसी में चला गया, स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हुए. बट जेवियर्स में मैं काफ़ी थिएटर करने लगी, एंड इट्स वेरी रिच इन थिएटर. एंड दैट टाइम आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग, क्योंकि कॉलेज के बाहर काफ़ी ऐसे एड्स के लिए लोग बुलाते थे. राइट. एंड a very dear family friend of ours, actually she just came home and she saw some photo of me and she met my parents for the first time and she said what does she do? She's like, no, she's in Xavier studying, she's 16-17, named Sushma Reddy, she's an RJ model. And Sushma said you should act when I was 16-17. So I like ठीक है, try कर लेते हैं. ऐसे कुछ ये नहीं था कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है. And then I just got
Samira's sister.
She was an RJ. So Sushma is the reason I started becoming an actor. And then I of course started training, I started doing a lot of workshops, and I started doing theatre. I realized that I really love the process of living different lives. In life, like I mentioned, I was just a little shy. So it gave me an expression, a way to express.
Right.
So that's how it started.
So how did Mirzya happen, your first film? वो कैसे मिली थी?
बहुत ऑडिशन ही 6 महीनों के लिए चली. कुछ 800 लड़कियों ने ऑडिशन किए थे. फिर उसमें से सर मेट आई थिंक 20-25 गर्ल्स, उसमें से फिर से ऑडिशन. तो आई डिड मे बी 16 स्क्रीन टेस्ट फॉर मिर्जा. एंड देन आफ्टर 6 months ऑडिशंस के बाद फिर हम दोनों को 2 लड़कियां थे शॉर्ट लिस्टेड, हमें दिल्ली भेजा था टू लर्न हॉर्स राइडिंग एंड डू एन एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप फॉर 4 months. उसके बाद फिर से ऑडिशन किया. तो ये प्रोसेस काफ़ी लंबा चला, 6 महीनों के लिए.
ओके, ऑन अ लाइटर नोट, जस्ट टेल मी लाइक व्हाट क्वालिटीज Sayami wants in a life partner.
Someone who's adventurous, someone who loves sport, someone who loves film, and somebody who's got a sense of humor and is grounded and humble.
And if I am not wrong, and to ask you, कभी कोई लिंकअप्स ऐसे हमने नहीं सुने हैं अबाउट यू?
नहीं, मेरी बहुत ब्लैंड बोरिंग लाइफ है. बहुत ही ब्लैंड और बोरिंग लाइफ है. पर मैंने रॉजर फेडरर के साथ तस्वीर डाली थी, लगा लिंकअप उनके साथ हुआ तो ठीक है, पर मेरी बहुत बोरिंग लाइफ है.
What do you actually do in your day-to-day life, if I talk about, since you mentioned about this कि boring life है, तो मतलब what's the routine like?
मैं मतलब मेरे दोस्त कहते हैं कि मैं इतनी बोरिंग हूँ, क्योंकि मैं बाल्की सर भी कहते हैं दैट आई हैव नॉट मेट एनीवन हु कैन ईट द सेम फूड फॉर 60 days. एंड आई सेड यार बट आई लाइक ईटिंग दिस, तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? तो मैं रोज़ भिंडी की सब्जी खा सकती हूँ, रोज़. आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम ईटिंग इट. तो वैसे ही लाइफ में आई एम वेरी रेजिमेंटेड. मतलब हर जो मेरे दोस्त है वो कहते हैं कि यार एवरी मॉर्निंग यू गो रनिंग. मतलब हम इंस्टाग्राम खोलते हैं सुबह तो कुछ 10-12-20 किलोमीटर दौड़ना हुआ है, एंड वी आर जस्ट वेकिंग अप. सो माई लाइफ व्हेन आई एम नॉट एक्टिंग is spent a lot either watching movies. I listen to a lot of audiobooks. So listening to a lot of audiobooks. I really like किशोर कुमार, मोहम्मद रफ़ी के गाने. मतलब पुराने गाने मुझे बहुत पसंद है. तो सिटिंग इन एन इवनिंग, एक दो सिंगर फ्रेंड्स हैं तो एक साथ, मतलब मैं बाहर कॉलेज से कभी क्लबिंग नहीं जाती थी. मैं आई डोंट ड्रिंक अल्कोहल, मुझे टेस्ट पसंद नहीं है. तो आई एम वेरी बोरिंग क्योंकि आई डोंट ड्रिंक अल्कोहल, आई डोंट स्मोक. सो लाइक आई सिट एट होम एंड कॉल फ्रेंड्स, listen to old music, watch sport together, watch films together. If I'm not doing that, then I'm training for a marathon, training for a triathlon. I go diving. I love diving, so I'll go diving. I love trekking, so I'll go trekking. And in all this, I like to keep workshopping. So Adil Hussain is somebody who I hold him very close to my heart. He workshopped me for Mirzya. तो उसके बाद जब भी उनके पास वक्त होता है, I try to workshop as much as I can.
And रिश्ता रेडी नाउ?
रिश्ता रेडी
मतलब रिश्तास के लिए ऐसे like to settle down in life. If I talk about
no, I
like
feel
that.
very settled. मुझे मतलब you don't need a man to feel settled. I feel so. I feel that if you feel settled, you don't need somebody. Actually, anything that comes, it can unsettle you. I feel if your life is settled, having a companion is wonderful. Unfortunately, abhi I don't have anyone in my life. If someone comes in, nothing like it. If not, life's great. Like.
And how do you actually handle success and failure? Like I remember in the first answer which you gave, उसमें आपने success and failure की बात की. So when it comes to success and failure, so वो किस तरह से सयामी अपनी real life?
I don't take success or failure seriously. मतलब if it comes, great. Doesn't come, it doesn't matter. क्योंकि वही I'm not chasing the failure or the success. I want to just be a part of good projects. अगर failure है तो failure है, success है तो success है. मतलब it doesn't really bother me so much.
Right.
And ये मुझे actually सीख राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा मुझे Pearls of Wisdom दे के जाते थे जब हम शूट करते थे. तो he used to say that don't take all this whole world very seriously, because people will come, people will go depending on a Friday. You need to be secure and solid and know why you are doing this. So for me, since then the training's been good, that I have to give my 100%, 200% to every film, because now 100% is also not enough. So you have to give your 200%, and if it works good, doesn't work, ठीक है.
और अब तक का सबसे difficult और सबसे like close to heart वाला character कौन सा रहा है?
It's a very tough one because मैं वैसे बहुत नॉस्टैल्जिक हूँ, तो मुझे स्कूल की बहुत याद आती है, कॉलेज की. वैसे ही मेरे जो प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं मैं बहुत वो ऐसे पकड़ के रखती हूँ. So for me, like Suchi from Mirzya is so
You
close.
are a Cancerian.
I'm a Cancerian.
Same here.
तो ऐसे है ना कुछ
ऐसा है
कि वो ऐसे मैं
emotional,
बहुत वो I keep it very close to my heart. But
Right.
for me, I think Anina from Ghumar is someone who just wins the race in between Sarita from Chok, Suchi from Mirzya. Because Anina from Ghumar, as an actor, forget cricket, but as an actor, it was one of the most challenging roles I've done.
And so ever rejected a film which later on you felt like कि मुझे ये film कर लेनी चाहिए थी?
I didn't reject it, but I was in school, maybe 9th standard, when Zoya had made Luck by Chance, and she had said, would you be keen? So I said, उस वक्त तो मुझे actor बनना ही नहीं था, मैं 8th 9th standard में थी.
Right.
For Isha's role, I think it was. But now when I started acting, I'll do anything to be a part of a Zoya Akhtar film, because I am a massive fan of Zoya Akhtar. So it's not reject नहीं किया था, I was in school.
Yeah. So मतलब
and actually funnily Anurag Kashyap had offered me a role in Dev D when I was in school. He saw me at Prithvi Theatre. I'd gone to watch a play.
Okay.
And his then assistant, I think, was Vasan, and Gautam sir, who used to do casting.
Yeah.
So I had like this full short boy cut hair, and they said that hey, Prithvi had seen a play and I was going. And this was a Dev D. So I said, but I'm in school, like I don't want to act. So thankfully Anurag Kashyap happened. Now I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Someday Zoya Akhtar will happen.
So then when you met these two people after becoming an actor, तो मतलब पहला interaction उसके बाद इनसे क्या हुआ था?
अनुराग को याद है. He said, हाँ मेरे छोटे बाल थे and all. अनुराग को याद है. Zoya, we never really met a lot of times after that, पर कभी बात तो नहीं हुई उसके.
Oh, okay. Okay. And do you also manage your own investments and the best investment after becoming an actor? क्या किया है आपने?
I've been investing, like I said, that I'm somebody who expenses, don't have so many expenses. I've been saving money since I've been earning. My expenditure is on watching live sport. That's what I spend a lot of money on. So I've been investing since I was 17, 18 years old, and I like to invest on my own. My sister advises me. She's also pretty. Then I follow the market and invest and things like that. So best investment I've done so far has been just some blue chip stocks that I'd taken when I was the छोटा जब पैसे मिलते थे when I was 17, 18.
So you are still into your investments like mutual funds या फिर जो भी सारी चीजें हैं.
बिल्कुल.
And you keep checking stocks and everything?
I keep checking. Wow. It's very hard to earn money.
Yeah.
And it's something which I want my money to grow. So you work so hard to make the money, then work a little hard on your investments also.
Right.
So
on that note, tell me about your first paycheck. What was the amount?
My first paycheck, I used to play professional badminton. So I had won an under 10 tournament in the district tournament. I got an 800 rupees for it.
Oh.
Yeah, so I got an 800 rupees and I bought my parents some cordless phone or something.
And after becoming an actor,
First film, I remember what I had gotten for Mirzya. Before Mirzya, I had done a Telugu film. For that, I had gotten 3 lakh rupees for the Telugu film. And I had shot for 1 whole year. And I saved the money. I didn't spend it.
Very intelligent. Okay, now tell me one line about.
Sorry, to add to your last question.
Yeah.
You know, it's a best investment. So whenever बचपन में दिवाली या birthdays पे envelope में पैसे लोग देते थे. So हम क्या करते थे? I used to save that money and give it to my grandmother, saying that you keep it with you safe, so I don't save with you and all that. And my grandmother, being a grandmother, अगर वो 800 रुपए है, वो उसका 1000 राउंड फिगर करके रख देती थी. So she was my best investment because every time I gave her, saying it would become a round figure and come back to me.
Wow. And फिर बाद में वो सारे पैसे मिले.
हाँ सारे पैसे मिले, इंटरेस्ट के साथ मिले. तो उनके बैंक में वो हमें डालती रहती थी कि अरे हाँ बच्चे ही है.
So I think like सबको सयामी से लेना चाहिए investment advice.
Investment advice मुझे प्रतीक गांधी ने बहुत दिया अग्नि के फिल्म पे. He is a very very good investor and very good with his finance. Clearly his film, his show Scam, उसके पहले से he was very into it. So he gives very good financial advice.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. And Agni के बारे में मुझे just ये बता दो कि like for your this character, you did any kind of workshop? I was actually reading and you did something. So can you just tell us about that?
तो अग्नि में हम we are all playing firefighters. तो उसके लिए we did a lot of physical workshops. Right. I was very ashamed of myself. I didn't know about female firefighter representation. तो हम कुछ 15-16 दिन भाईकला फायर स्टेशन जाके we do the drills. मतलब they actually put fire and they put you through certain obstacles.
So it must be very tiring.
It was good. I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it.
That's great. And what's the best part about Agni? Being part of Agni?
I think the best thing is that we've not made a film on firefighters ever in India. So just being a part of the first firefighter film made in India is a very, very proud feeling. So I feel that I'll just be very proud to have this film on my filmography.
And how did this happen?
I have to audition for everything. So I am somebody
each and every film till now you have done.
Except for Choked. Anurag sir didn't audition me because he saw me somewhere. And he said picture karni hai, and that was his. He doesn't audition people.
Okay.
He goes on, I don't know what he goes on. Funnily, Choked and Ghumar are the 2 films I didn't audition for. Like the most author-backed roles, the directors felt he can audition nahi chahiye. But otherwise, every film, every show I've done, be it Breathe, be it Fadu, be it Special Ops, be it Agni, whatever I've done, I have been put through auditions.
That's great. Okay, on that note, talking about your directors, so यहाँ पे कुछ नाम है. One thing which you have learned from your directors, first one is Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra.
Swimming. He's a very good swimmer. So he used to teach me how to swim faster.
Okay.
And besides that, just industry on a serious note, just about how to deal with the industry, how to deal with not taking life too seriously.
Best advice. Okay, Anurag Kashyap.
Anurag Kashyap, passion for cinema. I have not met anyone so passionate about cinema. He is genuinely the happiest on a film set. He is genuinely in love with cinema. So it would be passion for cinema.
Ashwini Iyer Tiwari.
Her aesthetic sense. She's somebody who's very good with her aesthetic sense. मतलब curtains कैसे होने चाहिए या her aesthetic sense is very good.
Right. Okay. Rahul Dholakia.
How to stay calm in the utmost chaos around you. He's one of the calmest directors who मतलब सब जगह there is a fire, but he is so calm. So he's a very prepared and very calm director.
Neeraj Pandey.
Neeraj sir has how to not make a big deal of things. Things just happen. Matlab, he's somebody who just makes things happen very quickly. And his style of working is zyada discussion nahi, chalo kaam pe lago. So he's somebody who keeps, like if you see him and his body of work, he's had so many, like just now he's had a release last week, then he's had the Aurum Edam, he's done documentaries. He's constantly working and moving on. He doesn't look at what is over. Moves on.
Okay, and lastly, R. Balki.
Balki sir's learnings. He is one of the sharpest. So for me, Balki sir is a mix of Anurag sir and Rakesh sir. So he's somebody who is he likes to move quickly while shooting, and he's extremely sensitive. So my biggest learning from R. Balki would be practicality. He's somebody who's very practical. He doesn't waste time if you give him a practical solution about something. Like if you go to him and say that, sir, I don't feel like, he won't listen to you. But if you go to him and say that, sir, I feel that, my character doesn't have one hand, she can't open a bottle, she can't tie her hair, he'll shoot everything. He's very practical.
Right. That's great. And lastly, just tell me something about once you had spoken about how trollings happened with you, body shaming and all. So when it comes, क्या ऐसी चीजें अभी भी still you get messages from trolls and all, and how do you deal with that?
I don't deal with them because it doesn't matter.
Does that really affects you? Like अभी भी affect करता है या पहले करता था और अब नहीं करता है?
I think the first learning when you want to become an actor is to become thick-skinned while being vulnerable. Is you can't take everything seriously. You have to take things with a pinch of salt. When it comes to body shaming, I think people naturally are so used to saying mean things without even meaning to say mean things.
Right.
Which we need to be a little more sensitive as people. With regards to trolling, it doesn't really bother me because if there's someone who's genuinely giving me positive criticism, making me improve, I will listen to that person wholeheartedly. But if someone's just passing comments to have social media is so toxic and negative, just to spread negativity, and no point indulging it. So I don't let it affect me.
So how do you keep yourself calm?
I run. That's my way to stay calm. I've been running marathons. It's when people say don't run away from problems, I actually run. I start running, my problems get solved.
Okay, and before going, just tell our viewers 3 films on sports which everyone should watch, or which is your favorite. Anything.
Well,
What
3
will you
films. 3 films on sport. It's going to be very cliched, but it should be Ghumar, Ghumar, and Ghumar. So if you haven't watched Ghumar, then you all definitely should be watching Ghumar. It's on ZEE5. But besides that, I think $1 Million Baby is a film which I am a big fan of. And The Last Dance, it's a documentary, and I think it's one of my favorite documentaries. So it's not a film, but it's a series.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for being here, coming to our studio and having such a great conversation with you.
Thank you. I'm very happy to be on the new couch at Movie Files.